Broiler Chicken. Origin, USA. Developed for meat production. Benefits, high in protein, low in fat if skin removed, contains essential amino acids.
Cafe au lait. Ingredients: brewed coffee, steamed milk. Benefits: antioxidants, calcium from milk, mild caffeine boost. Harm: milk fat and sugar increase calories. Caffeine may affect sleep.
Ginger tea. Ingredients, fresh ginger, water, honey or lemon optional. Benefits, reduces nausea, anti-inflammatory, boosts immunity. Harm, may cause heartburn or stomach irritation if overconsumed. Hot caramel latte. Ingredients, espresso, steamed milk, caramel syrup. Benefits, antioxidants from coffee, enjoyable comfort drink. Harm, high sugar and calories can cause weight gain and blood sugar spikes. Hot vanilla coffee. Ingredients, coffee, steamed milk, vanilla syrup. Benefits, caffeine boost, antioxidants, pleasant taste. Harm, sugar in syrup can increase risk of obesity and dental issues. Lemon tea. Ingredients, black or green tea, lemon, honey, or sugar. Benefits, vitamin C, antioxidants, boosts immunity. Harm, acidic lemon may erode enamel. Sugar adds calories. Rooibos tea. Ingredients, rooibos leaves, hot water. Benefits, caffeine-free, rich in antioxidants, supports heart health. Harm, rare allergic reactions possible. High intake may affect liver in sensitive people.